Hi guys, this is gsnom.com and I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You know, the big one. The one that has a dual back camera this time around. These are two 12 megapixel sensors. One is wide angle and one is telephoto from what I understood. We got the glass panel at the back, glass panel at the front, metal frame in between, 8.5 millimeters in thickness. Of course, it has a Super AMOLED curved screen, which is curved edges, which let you show stuff. Got the specs here: 6.2 inch Quad HD Super AMOLED curved, rear dual camera, wide angle and telephoto, 12 megapixel each, dual pixel technology, super slow motion, and a front 8 megapixel shooter. 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, micro SD, and a 3400 mAh battery. Measures 8.5 millimeters in thickness and weighs a hefty 189 grams, although considering the screen size, which is 6.2 inch, not that bad. It's certainly a looker. They've cut from the bottom bezel, they've cut from the top bezel. We have dual speakers now, one at the bottom and one at the top with stereophony, and this phone has been tuned by AKG for improved acoustics. I'm going to access gsm.com so you can have a gander. It feels pretty narrow, it may be even narrower than the Galaxy Note 8, which is not a small feat. We still have a Bixby button, you can trigger it, and you can use Bixby to identify the calories in your food. The camera has super slow motion and a cute little feature which will transform you into an augmented reality emoji. So we got panorama, we got the Pro mode with the variable aperture, which is shown here. We got live focus, so you can take refocus pictures, bokeh and so forth. And of course you have selfies, we got live focus and AR emoji. Okay, so make emojis of yourself. Create my emoji. Found the face, select male, next. And now it's creating my augmented reality version. You can put glasses on it, change the hair color, and a variety of other things. That's me. I can change my skin tone. It's certainly flattering. The face is a bit slimmer. You got new haircuts, new eyeglasses, new clothes even. So that's cute, and you can even end up sending this to people via a variety of chat apps. Not sure which, probably Facebook, probably messages, and probably WhatsApp, and more features. So Snapdragon 845, 6 GB of RAM, and a new and improved dual 12 megapixel camera. You can also access a new DeX pad, which lets you put the phone horizontally, use it like a touchpad, use it like a keyboard, and expand its functionality. It runs on Oreo, of course, with the interface that hasn't changed very much from last year. That's my take on it. And I have to say, I'm really loving the new lilac hue. That's the hue here. Fingerprint scanner is here at the back. Not the most fortunate placement, but I can live with it. So pretty good light capture, super slow-mo, AR emojis, dual speaker, and that's about it for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Quite comfy, I have to say. This is from gsm.com.